Ipakita ko muna sa inyo yung garage. Kasyang-kasya, even malalaking sasakyan like pick-up, van, at mga SUV. And then you have a space here to be your pocket garden. Napakalawak ng iyong living room. Kita mo na agad ang iyong napakaganda at eleganteng kitchen. We also have bedroom here at the ground floor. Pwede itong gamitin guest area, maid's room. Let's go upstairs. So, mas malawak, mas well-lit, and it has a good ventilation also. May access ka na papunta sa yung second floor na terrace kung saan pwede kang mag-morning coffee or mag-exercise, mag-relax any time of the day. Housemates, this property is around... Good morning, housemates! Right now, we are here in St. Jude Executive Homes. Walking distance lang ito sa SM City, Lucena. And I'll give you a quick tour of this elegant house model. This is Model Catherine. I am Francis Oval, your licensed real estate broker. Welcome home! Housemates, this Model Catherine dito sa St. Jude Executive Homes has a lot area of approximately 160 square meters. Depende yan sa ma-avail mong location, block and lot ng property. It has a floor area of 158 square meters. Ipakita ko muna sa inyo yung garage. Napakalawak ng garage natin, housemates. Kasyang-kasya, even malalaking sasakyan like pick-up, van, at mga SUV. You can also use this as your meeting area, barbecue area, or playing area ng kids if hindi pa nakalagay ang sasakyan. And then you have a space here to be your pocket garden. Pwede ka magtanim-tanim dyan or maglagay ng coffee table dahil pwede mo naman pabakuran within your property line. Let me show you what's inside Model Catherine. Sa pinto natin, naka-double lock na tayo. Metal door na din ang ating ginagamit, okay? And napakalawak ng iyong living room. Pumapasok yung natural light and well-ventilated dahil sa malalaki nating sliding windows. Kasama na rin ang nagbibigay ganda sa ating design ng bahay, as well as dito sa loob ang ating mga owning window. So you can have your at least 4 to 6 seater na sofa here, mini table, wall mount TV for a minimalist vibe. And ang kagandahan, meron kang sliding door dito, housemates, papunta sa iyong lanay area. Kita mo naman yan, napakalawak ng space. Pwede ka pang magbakod and maglagay ng plants or anything na expansion dito sa lot mo. Depende sa kagustuhan mo in the future. Pagpasok mo sa living area, kita mo na agad ang iyong napakaganda at eleganteng kitchen. Countertop tiles, overhead cabinets, pwede ka maglagay dito ng mga chairs, and you have enough space para magluto. You have also provision here para sa iyong refrigerator, gas stove, or small appliances na kailangan mo dito sa kitchen. And syempre, equip na rin ito ng ating mga cabinets. May mga pin light na rin tayo na pwede mong paglagyan ng iyong mga cooking wares at kung ano-ano mo pang bagay sa pagluto. Kaya may enjoy ito ng iyong parents, even grandparents, at kahit na sinong member ng family. Pakita ko sa inyo itong bedroom 1. So we also have bedroom here at the ground floor. Pwede itong gamitin guest area, maid's room, or pwede na rin in the future if we have elderly people in the family, pwede nilang gamitin ito para hindi na sila laging umaakyat sa second floor. Naka-sliding window na rin yan para maaliwalas at pumapasok yung hangin. Ito nga pala, housemates, yung another access natin papunta sa garage. And then you have your comfort room dito sa ground floor. Common CR na pwedeng gamitin. From floor to ceiling na din yung kanyang tiles. May toilet, lavatory, may partition na din, shower, and bathroom accessories na kailangan mo. Ang kagandahan din dito, beside your kitchen, nandito yung ating stairs. Let's go upstairs to see another bedrooms na located dito sa itaas. Pag-akyat ng second floor, meron ka pa ring malawak na space dito na pwede mong gawing another living area, or you can put here some mini table, a small sofa na pwedeng gamitin ng guest or ng anyone in the family. Let me show you first. Meron din tayong another comfort room dito sa second floor. Equipped na rin to with partition, toilet, lavatory, shower. From floor to ceiling na din ang ating tiles. So napaka-convenient kasi meron din siyang another comfort room sa second floor. This is our another unit. Let's say room. This is room number 2. So equipped na ito with built-in cabinets. So may storage ka na dito. Pwede mo na ilagay ang mga gamit mo or anyone na mag-occupy nitong room. You have a sliding window dito sa taas. Let's check this one bedroom. So, mas malawak, mas well-lit, and it has a good ventilation also. May mga owning windows tayo dito. May big built-in cabinets na rin tayo dito. Another good thing about this room ay may access ka na papunta sa iyong second floor na terrace. So, naka-sliding door na siya. Papunta sa terrace na yung second floor. Kung saan pwede kang mag-morning coffee or mag-exercise, mag-relax any time of the day. So, dun tayo dumaan para makita natin yung another bedroom na accessible rin going to terrace ng iyong bahay. So this one, built-in cabinets na rin. Once i-turn over, may built-in cabinets na po tayo. Kagandahan, meron ding sliding door going to your terrace. This is also a big space to put whatever you want in this location. Ano po? Isa sa magandang bagay dito sa property na ito ay ang kanyang lokasyon. Bukod sa napakaganda ng location nito, napakalapit mo lang sa SM City, Lucena. Walking distance lang sa SM, near big establishments like schools, universities, markets, at kung ano-ano pang establishments na hinahanap mo. Housemates, this property is around 6.8 to 7 million for inner lot and nagre-range siya ng 7 to 8 million para sa mga corner lot na may mas malalaking lupa. And available ito sa Pag-ibig and bank financing. Mapa OFW, locally employed, or business owner ka man. Kung interested ka for more details and you have other questions, i-message mo lang ako. Again, I am Francis Oval. I'm your licensed real estate broker here in the Philippines. And this is Model Catherine. Welcome home!